As always, if you can't tell what this video is by the title, you can tell by what I'm wearing. Today it's not my shoes though, it's my shirt. I'm wearing my In-N-Out shirt. Let's do this! Hello, my name is Pauline and I do things. And I'm hungry again. Oh, it's gonna be the quiche video all over again. Oh no. Okay, so I haven't had a burger. I keep hitting my spatula. So I have not had a burger since, how long ago was that? Was that 2018? Oh my gosh, or was it 2019? It's 2019. August, the first weekend in August of 2019. How can I remember it that well? But it was an In-N-Out burger. We were in California for a skating competition and I was like, oh my gosh, we have to get In-N-Out. This is back when I was still eating meat. I was about to say able to eat meat, but I wasn't really able to eat meat then. I just did because I wanted it. Now I'm very indifferent in want versus need. When it comes to food, I prefer to eat food that doesn't make me very sick. So because of that, and because In-N-Out doesn't have veggie burgers, yeah, I'm hungry. We're gonna be making a protein style veggie In-N-Out burger inspired.
Eventually.
In-N-Out protein style inspired veggie burger. There we go. Same words, different order, makes perfect sense now. I have all the fixings over here and I'm gonna be kind of making the In-N-Out sauce, but not really, because I can't eat mayonnaise. So what is in the In-N-Out sauce? This is like a secret. I'm letting you in on a secret. I did some research. All it is mayo, relish, ketchup, and some white vinegar. That's it. So I have tomatoes to replace the ketchup essentially. I have relish. I just don't have the mayo or the vinegar and I feel like I'll be fine. I also brought sriracha, mustard, salt, and pepper. And we're gonna just make a burger. Got myself some veggie patties because I've been craving a burger. We're gonna just have some fun and make a burger on the fly. I don't even know how to properly cook these, but I mean, we're doing it. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I have my pan. I already put some olive oil in it. I don't have this heated up, so let's put it on low. That should work. I don't know. I'm hungry. Oh, I also have a bucket of cheese. If you can't see, there's a bucket of cheese there. I have no idea how much is too much oil when it comes to cooking, so we're just guessing at this. While the oil heats up, I have a very exciting announcement. This weekend, well, a couple weekends ago from when I filmed this, from when you're seeing this, I filmed this, yes. I'm getting my first dose of the vaccine and I'm very excited. This is a celebratory burger. We're celebrating good news. I'm gonna throw that in here now. Everybody wish me luck. It's making burger noises, you guys. She's so cute. We're gonna have burgers tonight and I'm gonna do my laundry. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm so pumped. How do I get it to not stick? I told you we were doing this on the fly. Oh, I'm really gonna have to scrub at this pan, I can tell. Maybe the trick is to keep it moving. I'm pre-scrubbing my pan. Also, I'm fully aware that even though this is a veggie burger, that it's not at all healthy. That's not the point. This is a celebratory burger. Will I probably be eating this for dinner again tomorrow? Yes, I have half a tomato sitting in the fridge that needs to be eaten. It's been so long since I've had a burger that I don't actually quite know what a cooked burger looks like. Like when I think burger, I see like a cartoon version of it in my head now. It's been a while since I've been out. See, that looks good. Is that good? Did I do good? Is that how it's supposed to look, you guys? I feel like my burger might be basically done. I'm gonna turn off the stove just so it starts to cool off. Ooh, there we go. That's the color. I think she's done. Look at that. That's a burger, my dudes. Let's get situated. Here's my plate. Oh wait, I wanna melt some cheese on it. Oh, I'm getting overly excited. Okay, I'm gonna melt some cheese on top, or at least try to. It's one of those times I wish I had sliced cheese. Hopefully that melts. Setting that aside, let's get all the other stuff situated. I kind of have just a random assortment of lettuce, but I'm thinking this will be the bottom. and then a couple slices of tomato, but I think I might put this big honkin' one on the bottom. Put some salt. I love salt on tomatoes. The cheese isn't melting. Why isn't it melting? I'm gonna go ahead, put some sriracha. Also, if you cook tomatoes like I'm cooking this burger and throw some sriracha on it, okay. Oh, she's so cute. I feel like SpongeBob SquarePants right now. Some relish. Wow. I'm gonna throw the tiny tomato now on top because it looks like a little hat. So cute. And then we're gonna throw this piece of lettuce on top. And there is my protein style In-N-Out burger. I feel like I need to pose with it with my shirt. It is time for the taste test, everybody. I'm gonna set my plate down and we are gonna do this. My In-N-Out protein style inspired veggie burger. Look at her, she's really pretty. Look how pretty she is. Hopefully I don't make a mess.
Are you kidding me?
It's so good. Oh, the sriracha is great. In-N-Out needs to add sriracha as a topping. Yes, this is what I wanted. This is what I was craving. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, before I inhale the rest of that, because I'm a wild animal. Okay, that's the video. I'm sure this is a short video this week. Just a fun, celebratory, getting my first dose burger. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, I don't really know how to cook a burger, but it's delicious. I put just enough of each topping. The balance is perfect. It's so good. Treat yourself. That's the message of this video. Treat yourself. You deserve a treat. And honestly, when you make it yourself, I think it tastes better. I don't know, man. Like, this is really good. And I've had veggie burgers like out and about before, and like, I like this one better. The only thing I might add to it would be like an egg on top.
Oh.
I love me a burger with an egg on top. Ooh, 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 yes. Well, that concludes this video. It's just me making a burger and eating it. If you want to see more of me cooking, crafting, DIY, making things, subscribe, like this video. If you like burgers, ooh, I'm already burping. Comment down below other recipes I should try. I am open to anything. I am just a giant trash panda. I will literally eat anything. If you make yourself In-N-Out protein style veggie burger inspired by me, tag me on Instagram at PaulineDoesThings and I will shower you in emojis. If you want to see when I get the vaccine, you can check out my mini-minute daily vlog on TikTok at Pauline Makes TikToks. I can't believe it's happening. Cool, okay. But yeah, that's the video. I want to inhale the rest of this burger as we always end these cooking videos of me being like,
okay, bye.
But seriously, I gotta eat this, it's so good. Okay, are we good? Are we good? Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yum.